Hello friends, welcome to my channel, a channel for learning simple coding. If you find this video to be helpful, please like, share and subscribe my channel. In last video we have seen that how we can design this bottom navigation in Material UI. But I discussed one more point also, that we can change color of this. So changing of color is not so easy, but one technique we have by which we can change the color of this, that is updating a theme. So by default the theme color is blue, and suppose I want to change this color to secondary, means purple. So how we can do this, that we are going to learn here. So first of all I need to create a theme. So I say here that const theme equal to create theme. This function we have, inside this function we have to pass object, but for that I need to import this. So I say import, I say theme provider and create theme from MUI material, and I say styles. Save this. So like that way I need. Then create theme we have here. I need to create a theme. So I say palette, and this palette is object. Under this palette we have primary theme like that, and we have secondary theme, remember, like that, and I have comma also here, and in this here also I need comma. Here in primary I have a main color that I need to pass here. Here also in secondary I have a main color. So this color I need from the palette of Material UI. So I say here the palette color, and here you see the purple color is this. So I take this color as a primary color, so I change it to primary, and the blue color, that is the primary, I am changing it to secondary. You see, you can pass any color which you want, but I am passing here primary to my purple color, and this is theme. We updated this. Save this. Now this bottom navigation I have to put under theme provider, and here I pass theme equal to theme like that, and under this I cut this and I paste all these things under this theme provider. You see, we have theme provider, not theme, so that is theme provider. This one, so that is theme provider. So I can remove this. Save this. You see, we have used this theme provider, and now you see that if we see this, the color is changed to purple. You see, this purple, this purple. So we have changed this color to purple, and if I set value to all these, I say it is NB value like this, and these all property means I just select all these value together. Save this, and you see that all are purple right now. You see, if I want to change some other color, suppose I want to color to red, so this is the red color, error 1. So I copy this and I change this color to the primary color, and here I say paste. Save this. So now my primary color is red, You see these are converted into red one also. So it is a very simple technique to change the default behavior of this bottom navigation, because if you try to change the color by using some property, like I use here color property, so it would not work. If I try to pass color here in CSS, then it would not work. I have tried all these things, so it is not working. So we have this option to change the default theme color here as per our requirement and put these all under this theme provider component. Under this we pass here theme and automatically the color of theme will change. So we can change as per our requirement. We can change to red, we can change to purple, we can change to something else. By default is blue, so we can change default nature of a theme by using this technique. That's all in this video. If you like it, please do subscribe. Thank you for watching this video.